Okay, I'm going to videotape this, and this comes from Dreadlocks Society. This video's for you. So your package arrived today, and I can't remember when I ordered this. A couple weeks ago? Anyways, I'm in British Columbia, Canada, and I was really excited to try this out. So let's take a look. Here's your packaging. Thought that was super cute. There it is. Okay, I'm going to open it up. I kind of undid the tape already. Hopefully. Oh, I guess I didn't undo the tape good enough. Hold on. Okay, undid the tape. Ooh. Hey, Irene. Thanks so much for your order. Hope you enjoy some time with the warrior. Let me know what you think. Aw, thank you. That's very cool. The wrapping is cool. Oh, come on. This is very nice. Beautiful. Oh, wait a minute. Jeez. Okay, I'm going to try it all. I'm excited. Hold on. I was having a brain fart here. Thought for a second I wasn't recording. Let's smell. This is what I'm most excited about, is shampoo bars. I love it, especially with dreadlocks. I'm going to check this out. Ooh, it smells nice. I'm videotaping this, babe. Yep. Mm-hmm. Say hi. You're on camera. And it's my cool dog. This smells really nice. Check out the packaging, babe. Well, I think I'm in heaven. I'm very excited. Very excited. Nourish my scalp. Nice. So excited to use this and try it out. And my free blow-up basin. Awesome. Can't wait to try it, and I thank you.